guys, Lauren here from Chasing the Other Shape Ball. Anyway guys, it is a Chasing the Vegan Food segment today. I am at C Square in Nambour today, and I'm actually at the Sunshine Coast Vegan Markets today. So the Sunshine Coast Vegan Markets are actually hosted every first Sunday of the month, and it's actually quite cool here. And it's really actually quite exciting to actually see the more awareness of veganism here in Southeast Queensland. So to see this, it's actually quite cool and quite interesting. So I'm starving, so let's go and actually find something to eat. Breakfast of Champions, I think, but I ended up going to the Flower of Life bakery stall. They're actually based on the Gold Coast, but apparently they have actually won the award for best meat pie on the Gold Coast. So being vegan, this is going to be really surprising. So I'm going to actually have a mince and cheese pie today. That was just pastry, but the pastry is yummy. And I got myself a homemade lemonade as well. Yeah. That's actually really, really yummy. It's really yummy. Yeah. Very hot though. We'd have to wait for it to cool down, I think, to even eat it more. Oh yeah, that's really yummy. So they said to me that the meat out of the meat pie is actually made from, it's a soy base, so I'm assuming it must be something like TVP or something of that nature. So because it does sort of, you get that kind of taste to it, but yeah. But yeah, no, it's actually really yummy. So that pie was so good before. I think I've had to walk around just for ages just to actually kind of work it off. But anyway, I'm on to my next thing. It's carbo load day today, so I've now got myself truffle mac and cheese from Green Street. So this is their French style. This is their French style idea that they've actually got going. So truffle mac and cheese from Green Street. Oh wow, that is so good. That is really, really, really good. That is really good. Obviously to make mac and cheese you've got to use nutritional yeast, so it gives it a kind of a parmesan cheesy flavour. But that truffle just comes right, it comes roaring through it. It is so good. It is so good. So anyway guys, I'm going to have to leave very shortly because unfortunately the trains that head up to the Sunshine Coast only run every 90 minutes. So for me, I have to kind of get this train that is coming very shortly, otherwise I'll be home very late tonight. So the last thing I got was a coconut soft serve ice cream. Wow, this is called the Cookie Monster. This is just insane. It is completely insane. Anyway, let's dig in and try this out. I'm gonna have to eat fast, I think, because this is melting. Oh, that is amazing. Anyway, the girls said downstairs that the ice cream is just made out of coconut cream and agave syrup, and that's it. Oh, wow. Yum! Oh. That is so good. So that is it from the Sunshine Coast Vegan Markets. I hope you guys actually got something out of it because Southeast Queensland is becoming more vegan friendly. A couple of years ago when I was actually vegan, it wasn't this, there wasn't as much variety as there is now, and it's just become, it has become more of an explosion in the last, say, a year or so, which is actually fantastic. But obviously we've still got a long way to go, but to see it where it is now and to see these markets pop up, you know, so many businesses want to use stalls to get their business out. It's actually really cool. So it's one thing that I'm actually kind of excited about, that veganism is becoming more mainstream and is becoming more, there's more awareness behind it as well. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I love the food. I seriously love the food. That ice cream was so good. But hope you guys actually really enjoyed it. Seriously love the food, love the vibe. To come up to Nambour today, it was actually quite cool, you know, especially on the train. It's my first time on the Sunshine Coastline. You know, I've been living here for so long and I've never actually been up this far on the train. But it's very easy to get via public transport. It's basically across the road from Nambour Station, so it's so easy to get to, and it's not going to cost the end of the earth to get up here, and it's actually a really good day out when you hop on the train as well. So yeah, anyway, I really actually hope you guys enjoy this Chasing the Vegan Food segment, and I will have a new video out for you very shortly. Okay, ka kite! Hi, ka kite!